just thinking about how blessed I feel being in this company. Just in a small amount of time, I have experienced so many things. I have more energy, and I no longer suffer with the pains in my knee from an injury some years ago. The leadership that we have is amazing. There's not one time that I have called on my team and they wasn't there for me. It's not just me that is getting healthier or getting good things, but I see my team experiencing that as well. So it's just a wonderful experience, and I just welcome everyone to experience Kyani. Every time that I go out, I notice that heads are turning. People are asking me, how